Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'm quickly gonna share one very important update with all of you, and that's related to the upcoming CSIR Net exam. So finally we are now having the information about the upcoming CSIR Net exam, that when it will be. So here there is a recent tweet by CSIR. Okay, so here you can have a look at this, that they have mentioned that CSIR Net UGC to be held on 29th January 2022. Two more rounds to be held after this in 2022. Details will follow. Okay, so this is how, guys, we are having the update about the upcoming CSIR Net exam, and as most of the people were waiting for it, so here now finally the wait is over, and now you are having the information about your upcoming exam. So guys, if you were already preparing for the exam, that's great, but if you were not preparing with all that full josh and everything done, you should start your preparation now, because you are having just some time remaining before your exam, and just start practicing more and more questions, start revising everything you have prepared and you have completed till now, because it's gonna be important for you. Okay, and at the same time, when you will be focusing on your net exam preparation, in just some time you will have your gate exam as well. So that's how, if you will be focusing on all the things completely and you will do the best preparation, so you will be able to crack both the exams. Okay, so try to give your best, and I hope that you all will be able to do good in this exam. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this point. Now I'm even gonna share one more very important update with all of you, and that is related to the Unacademy Plus subscription. Now guys, as even right now, if you are not confident about your exam preparation and you think you want to join the live classes by the top educators, the courses by the top educators, so in that case guys, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as it has been mentioned here on the screen. So by using and by applying this referral code, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And guys, one more thing, whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, what are the steps you have to take? Let me just tell you about it. First of all, download the Unacademy Learning app. After downloading the app, select your goal, which will be CSIR UGC Net if you want to prepare for the same exam or even other similar exams. After that, select the duration for which you want to take the subscription. After selecting it, you will be also getting a referral code place. So write the referral code there, that is Anjali A Live, or you can write Anjali Arora. Both are correct, but at a time you can just use one referral code. So by using and by applying the referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount at the same time. Another important thing is that you can take either the Unacademy Plus subscription or Iconic subscription. As you can see on the screen, we are going to have the benefits. Okay, in the Plus subscription, which you will get are these benefits. In Iconic subscription, you will get all these benefits. So if you think you want to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators, okay, the well planned and well structured courses by the top educators, so you can take the subscription and you can start your preparation under the guidance of top educators and take your preparation to the next level. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope now you will be preparing for the upcoming exam very well, and just make a proper strategy and the plan for your preparation, okay, for rest of the days, and start working on it. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. And if you think you want to get the guidance by the top educators, you want to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, either use the referral code Anjali A Live or use the referral code Anjali Arora. By using and by applying the referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.